Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to keep a closer eye on your team's workload in Smartsheet, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to track resource assignments, visualize how busy everyone is, and make sure no one's overwhelmed, all using Smartsheet's built-in workload tracking tools. Let's dive right in and set your team up for smoother collaboration and project management. So starting off, here we are in our task tracker. This is the main view where you're probably already keeping tabs on all your project tasks, deadlines, and who's doing what. It's your project's home base. Now, if you look over to the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Resource Management. This is a really powerful section and kind of like Command Central for understanding how your team's time is being allocated. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if it takes a second for the panel to open up. Sometimes it just needs a moment to load all that important data. Inside Resource Management, you'll spot an option for workload tracking, or you might see it called Workload Schedule, depending on your workspace settings. Either way, this is exactly where you want to be. Click on that and then select Track Workload. Smartsheet is now going to compile the current assignments for each person involved in your project, so you might see a loading bar or a brief pause, totally normal. Just give it a moment. Once everything loads, you're going to see a visual breakdown of all the people who are assigned tasks within your sheet. This overview is incredibly valuable. Think of it as a real-time heat map of your team's current and upcoming commitments. If you notice that someone's name is missing or the list doesn't look quite right, don't panic. This can happen because Smartsheet sometimes needs a little refresh to catch up with the most recent updates. Just hit the refresh button on your browser or in the Smartsheet app, and things should pop into place. Now here comes the really useful part. You can click on an individual's name from this view. When you do that, Smartsheet will take you straight to that person's workload schedule. This isn't just a list of tasks. You'll see an actual calendar-style breakdown showing exactly what each team member is scheduled to work on, how much they have on their plate, and on which days. If you see a lot of overlapping bars or a particular day looks especially full, that's your cue to check in, maybe redistribute some tasks, or make adjustments so nobody is spread too thin. This helps you avoid missed deadlines or burnout down the line. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you're able to get a bird's-eye view of team capacity and also zoom into each person's schedule to make smarter, data-driven decisions about resource allocation. If something looks off, take a moment to double-check your sheet assignments or refresh again. And remember, this feature is designed to make your life easier, so don't hesitate to explore and get comfortable with it. Alright, that wraps up our walkthrough of workload tracking in Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips on boosting your productivity with Smartsheet and other tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.